Hello guys, we are here in the game of Stick Arab RPG 2, and today now we're going to play it. Okay, the username. My username Jael. Oh wait, Jael 809, and my password was Jael. Okay. Oh, I know. Jael. Okay, let's go. And let's continue with the game, bros. This game is awesome. Let's go. Loading. Did you not see my first episode? No, see it. It's so boring, bro. It's boring because that episode is so short and it has two minutes. Oh, Roblox. I play in Roblox and it's so laggy. Okay, but today we playing Stickman RPG 2. Okay, today I want to I don't know. I want to get a job. I a lot of jobs for more armor. No armor, more materials with a sword, a pistol. Let's go again to the common tower. I like this mission. I like this mission. Oh no! I want to select nothing. I will make a tunnel. I will make a tunnel. Select the tunnel. What happened? I don't want to do that. Oh God! Can we solve that? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh God. I'm going to buy me an antique hamburger. Hey, you can give me a regular burger? Thanks. It's for my life. You know, I have still 5% of my life and I need that burger. Oh, okay. It's just a case. Okay, thank you for the burger. Was free. Okay. Today I go to the bank. So what? I go in to be ATM, I don't know. Okay, here, ATM. We're going to put my code. No! Bob! Hey, close enough. Just this. Oh. This is the money. Yeah. Now, we get out. And I know what I do? What I do? I don't want to do that. Oh, okay. Code was 8, 2, 1, 6. Code. Okay, I have my money back. Okay. It's a glitch that I want to do, but I see the glitch no work. It no work. Glitch! Why? Why you do this to me, glitch? Glitch! Why you do this? Close! We're going to the casino. Let's have some fun. Oh, let's go to the horse race. Are you in the corner now? Okay, I'm going to the blue. Okay, I pause. Okay, let's go. Come on, blue. Yes, blue. Come on. Oh my god, I'm going to win this race. Seriously, I went. No, Cliff. No, what are you doing? Yes, 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 yes. Yes! The blue wins! Yes! I have my money. I have my money. Look how I dance. And you like my dance. You like my dance. Okay. I have my money. Yes, I win. Oh, it's for the machine. Okay, let's go. What's this price? Oh, I don't see it, huh? My prizes. Oh god, I want 7. I want 7. I go for 1,000. 1,000. Give me 1,000. Clear bet. Let's win. Come on. Oh god. My final shot. Okay, no. Okay, let's do the mission that I say. Oh, I can do this. Okay, but it's okay. The video going right. Okay, it's a mission with this guy, but this guy is bad. And I'm going to chop. Was a mission of the cocaine. I do it with this guy. This guy. Cocaine. This is mission. What is this? Rolling from Cuba. Cuban. Tobacco leaf by real Tosterones. I don't know, bro. I got to buy it. So we can we go to the police. He won. Let's see, he won this. I don't know. He won this. Amazing. Hope so. No, I complete mission. Good work. Thank you. We get another ID. And then we work. Let's keep working. Let's go to the house. Because I'm normal people go to the house to sleep. Okay, I want to fight. I want to get revenge, but not today. I am a normal people. I'm not going to fight this guy. Yes, I got to fight definitely with this guy. Oh god! Die! There you go. Well, the shotgun. 2 strange and 15 bucks. Yeah. Let's go to the house. Ooh la la! Hey sugar, look you a good time. You look, yes, I look for a good time, bro. Lady. Oh, this guy wants a job. I want a job with this guy. This guy is a good guy. guy is a good guy because he helped me in job. Let me ask a promotion. Ooh, oh, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no way! There was it. Okay, let's do again mission. Give me another promotion. This guy is so bad. Okay, guys. The mission after that I do was the old abandoned warehouse, but it was another mission. Oh, I was like, seriously? This is not the mission, but I do it. Okay, guys. Well, this is the final of the video. Subscribe my channel if you want some more videos like this. Give me a like button. Do you like to see the fake RPG part 2? Okay. The other video, subscribe, and I share the next video.